Alright, so do these make good pop filters? Let's test this out. I'm talking right into this microphone right now. I'm pretty close to it actually. I could get a little closer. But if you do the peace sound, now if I take it off, without taking the headphones off. Alright, so I cut that part out because the pop sounds were very loud, as you can see in the waveform right there. So these masks will work for a pop filter if you're in a pinch. Pretty cool. Maybe if you're doing some voiceover work and you're on the road, recording some demos, you don't have a pop filter with you, just throw on a mask. Pretty cool. Please do subscribe to the channel and also check out my other channel, Stars in June. That's my music channel. The music playing in the background is from that channel over there. Check that out as well. Let me know what you think about these masks. Put them in the comments below. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.